What's up guys, ProductivityPixel here in the boxing of the Vlogger Kit. This is for the Sony ZV-1. You people here are going to start vlogging, but I have it. I'm going to use this in college. So here you go. This is okay, you do get here a guide how to get this working. Works with any Sony camera basically. Okay, two things we're getting here guys. Ooh. So you do get a 64GB card, and let's grab this out. You do get the battery there. You can install that. It's a one-time battery. What else are we getting here? Okay, your basic instructions, how this works, is pretty simple. You just do connections, you get the bag. But since we're here guys, let's open up the Sony ZV-1 tripod thing for the camera. Ooh. So when you're vlogging, you click the movie button and you're just holding it, and it's all pairs up. And look, you put it like that, you could actually start shooting your videos. You could do the manual focus, all the focus on this. Pretty cool. I think the battery goes in here, but there's usually a coin. I'm gonna get that coin set up, and we'll get that open guys and get the battery on. But guys, so the boxing is here, the Sony ZV-1 accessory for the Sony ZV-1 camera. This is the Vlogger Kit. Please share, comment, subscribe guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one guys. Bye bye guys. Peace out.